Step 1. Hardware connection. Firstly, power on the router. Secondly, connect the router's LAN ports to computer by a cable. Thirdly, connect the modem to the router's WAN port by other cable. Step 2. Set up the router. Open the browser on your computer. Type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and then press Enter. The default login username and password are both admin. Click Login. Choose the link type as Ethernet. If your connection type is PPPoE, please choose PPPoE. Input the PPPoE username and password that provided by your ISP. If your connection type is DHCP or static IP, you need to choose IPoE. We take dynamic IP as an example here. Change the wireless SSID and wireless key as you want. Click OK. If it shows connected, that means you can surf internet now.